1x minus 2 equal to 0. Here x is common, x minus 2 plus 1 is common, x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 is common, then the remaining is x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here either x minus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 1. So these two are the roots of this equation. These are also roots for here. These are also roots for this equation. X power 4 minus lambda x square minus mu equal to 0. X is equal to 2 comma minus 1 are the roots of x power 4 minus lambda x square minus mu equal to 0. So roots of the, if x is equal to 2 comma minus 1 are the roots, these values are satisfies this equation. 2 and 1 are satisfies this equation. If x is equal to 2, we substitute x value in this equation. We get 2 power 4 minus lambda into 2 square minus mu equal to 0. 2 power 4 equal to 16 minus lambda into 4 minus mu is equal to 0. So minus 4 lambda minus mu equal to 0. Here this can be written as 16 minus 4 lambda minus mu equal to 0. So 16 equal to 4 lambda plus mu. 4 lambda plus mu is equal to 16. This is the first equation. Another root is x is equal to minus 2. This is also substitute in the above equation. Given equation minus 1 is also minus 1 here. Minus 1, it is minus 1. Minus 1. So if we substitute minus 1 in this equation, minus lambda into minus 1 whole square minus mu equal to 0, 1 minus lambda, minus 1 into minus 1 plus, so minus 1 whole square equal to minus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to 1. So minus mu equal to 0, 1 is equal lambda plus mu. So lambda plus mu is equal to 1. This is the second equation. By solving 1 and 2, by solving 1 and 2, by solving 1 and 2 we get four lambda plus mu equal to 16, lambda plus mu equal to 1. So signs are changed, minus plus q minus mu cancel. 4 lambda minus 1 lambda is equal to 3 lambda. 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Lambda equal to 15 by 3. For lambda is equal to 5. Lambda equal to 5. 5 is substitute in first equation, first or second equation. Lambda, second equation is lambda plus mu equal to 1. Lambda plus mu equal to 1. Lambda equal to 5 plus mu is equal to 1. Mu equal to 1 minus 5. Mu equal to minus 4. So lambda equal to 5 and mu equal to minus 4. We have to determine square root of lambda square minus mu square. Square root of lambda square 5 square minus 4 whole square. 5 square means 25 minus 4 into minus 4 16. What is the value? 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. Answer 3. Option B is correct. Option B is correct answer. Next. Next, we can written as we go to 11th question. If alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus c equal to bx, then the equation a plus cy whole square is equal to b square y in y has the roots option A alpha power minus 1 beta power minus 1, option B alpha square beta square, option C alpha beta minus 1 alpha power minus 1 beta, D alpha power minus 2 beta power minus 2. Solution. Okay, given equation can be written as ax square minus bx plus c equal to 0. Here alpha beta are the roots of this equation. Alpha beta are the roots of the equation. Roots of this equation. We can write alpha beta are the roots of this equation. So sum of the roots formula alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a for equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 minus b by a, but in this way in the place of b there is minus b, so minus of minus b by a. Alpha beta equal to here product of the roots c by a, that means alpha beta is equal c by a. B by a, alpha plus beta equal to b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. So this information is right in this way. So next, given equation, then the equation in y has the roots. So given equation, we can write given equation. We can write given equation a plus cy whole square is equal to b square y. If we simplified this equation, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square cy whole square plus 2 into a into cy is equal b square y. A square plus c square y square plus 2acy minus b square y equal to 0. We have to written this in the form first write y square term, second we write y terms minus b square y plus constant a square is equal to 0. This can be written as c square y square plus y is common 2ac minus b square plus a square equal to 0. Divide with a square. This is each term divide with a square. Each term divide with a square. C square by a square, c square by a square, y square plus 2ac minus b square by a square into y plus a square by a square equal to 0. So this can be written as c by a whole square into y square plus 2ac by a square minus b square by a square into y plus a square cancel 1 equal to 0. Here a 1a cancel, c by a we know that alpha plus beta equal to b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. C by a can be written as alpha beta whole square into y square plus 2 into c by a can be written as c by a can be written as alpha beta minus b by a whole square means alpha plus beta whole square into y plus 1 equal to 0. So we can common alpha beta whole square into y square. If we take the minus as common, alpha plus beta whole square is positive, 2 alpha beta is negative, 2 alpha beta is negative into y plus 1 is equal to 0. So next we divide with alpha beta whole square for each term. So this gets alpha beta whole square, alpha square beta square divided by alpha square beta square into y square minus each term is divided with alpha plus beta whole square can be written as alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta is divided with alpha square beta square plus 1 by alpha square beta square is equal to 0. This gets cancelled. So here 1 into y square minus alpha square by alpha square beta square plus beta square by alpha square beta square plus alpha 1 by alpha square into 1 by beta square is equal to 0. So alpha square cancel, beta square cancel, y square minus beta power minus 2 plus alpha power minus 2 into y, here y into y plus alpha power minus 2 beta power minus 2 is equal to 0. So we know that equation whose roots are alpha beta is x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Here the roots are in this way. We observe that in this equation alpha power minus 2 beta power minus 2 are the roots. Therefore here alpha power minus 2 comma beta power minus 2 are the roots. The answer is alpha power minus 2 beta power minus 2 are the roots. We go to options. Okay, alpha power minus 2 beta power minus 2, here D is the correct answer. Next we go to 12th question. 12th question. If the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0 have two common roots. then option A equal to B not equal to C, option B A not equal to B equal to C, option C A equal to B equal to C, option D A equal to minus B equal to C. Okay. If the given equation is ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0 have two common roots. Take this equation. If we take this equation, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This can be written in the form of cube form. So x plus 1 whole cube plus 1 equal to 0. So this can be written as x plus 1 whole cube equal to minus 1. We know that here we write x cube we know that x cube minus 1 equal to, if we write x cube minus 1 equal to 0, x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So here the roots are x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, 2 into 1. So x is equal to minus 1 plus r minus root of minus 3 by 2. This can be written as minus 1 plus r minus root 3I by 2. Here these roots are in the form of these roots are complex roots. So here this can be written as one root is omega, one root is omega square. This is 3 roots. Here x is equal to 1 and x is equal to omega, and next another one is omega square. Also we can written as x cube plus c. We take x cube plus 1 is equal to 0. This formula x plus 1 into x square plus x square minus x. X square minus x square minus x, this formula minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Here the roots are x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1 plus r minus root 3I by 2. These are written as x is equal minus omega, that means minus of minus of minus 1 plus, minus of minus, okay, plus root 3I divided by 2. This can be written as 1, okay, minus of minus 1 plus root 3I by 2, first root, and the second root minus of minus 1 root 3I by 2. These are the roots of this equation. These are minus 1, that x is equal to minus omega square, x is equal to minus 1. So in this way we written in the main equation, this can be written as x plus 1 whole cube minus 1 gets plus 1 in the left hand side equal to 0. So x plus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1. X plus 1 can be written as minus 1 whole power 1 by 3. So this is cube root of unity. This is cube root of unity. Those roots are in this way. Here it can be written as x cube is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 power 1 by 3. So these roots are minus 1 minus omega square. In the place of x we write x plus 1 is equal minus 1 minus omega square. So x is equal to plus 1 gets minus 1 after right hand side, minus 1 minus omega minus 1 minus omega square minus 1. That is minus 2 minus of omega plus 1 minus of omega square plus 1. We know that 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Here 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square. Also 1 plus omega square equal to 0. 1 plus omega square can be written as minus omega. These two are placed in the above equations, minus of minus omega square minus of minus omega, that is equal to minus 2 plus omega square plus omega. So since given in the given equation there are two equations have common roots, we can write, since given equations, since the given equations have two common roots, so omega and omega square are conjugate to each other, so therefore omega and omega square are the common roots. If one is the root of the one equation, another is also automatic, it is also root of this equation. We know that those are complex roots, common roots. So these are two common roots for the given two equations. So they are conjugate to each other. Omega and omega square are conjugate to one. If one is plus, omega means minus 1 plus root 3I by 2, and omega square minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. If one is the one root, another is also automatically, it is also root of the equation. So these are common roots. So equation whose roots are, we write equation whose roots are omega and omega square. Omega and omega square is x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Compare this with, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we get quotients are comparing a equal to a by 1, x square quotient a here, in this x square quotient 1, x quotient b here, x quotient 1, so b by 1, constant c here, constant 1, so c by 1. So that is the relation between a and b and c is a equal to b equal to c. So a equal to b equal to c. We go to options. If we go to options, the option C is correct answer. Here C is correct answer. So 3 questions are completed. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next class.